Planning to start an SIP but can't decide between a hybrid fund and a pure equity fund? You're not alone. Both sound good, but they work differently depending on your goal, risk appetite and time frame. SIP in hybrid funds versus SIP in equity funds. What works when? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's break it down. First, what's the difference? Equity funds invest mainly in stocks, high risk, high reward. Hybrid funds invest in a mix of equity and debt, offering a balance between growth and stability. Now, when you add SIPs, systematic investment plans, into the mix, both options can work well, but in different scenarios. SIP in hybrid funds, when it works well. Hybrid fund SIPs are suitable if you're just starting out, unsure about market ups and downs, looking for moderate returns with relatively less volatility. These funds cushion you during market dips because the debt component adds stability. So, your SIP returns don't swing as wildly. They can be suitable for short to medium term goals like planning a car, a vacation, or a down payment in 3 to 5 years. SIP in equity funds when it works well. Equity fund SIPs are for those with a high risk appetite, a long-term horizon 5+ years, a goal to build serious wealth over time. Yes, they are more volatile, but over the long run, SIPs in equity funds can deliver stronger returns. These can work beautifully for goals like retirement, child's education, or long-term wealth creation. So what should you do? If you're just starting or want low-risk growth, go for hybrid SIPs. If you're in it for the long haul, equity SIPs make more sense. And if you want both, do a mix. It's all about balance. Final thoughts. Don't just choose based on returns. Choose based on your comfort with risk and your financial goals. Like this if it cleared things up. Subscribe for more investing guidance. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.